Welcome back to Mind the English, where English makes zero sense, but we explain it anyway.
And today, we've got 6 idioms that sound absolutely wrong, but native speakers use them like it's nothing.
Okay, let's jump in.
Alex, yesterday you texted me, "I'm gonna hit the sack." Why? What did the sack do to you?
Nothing. It just means I'm going to sleep.
So you don't actually punch anything.
Nope, unless my alarm rings, then maybe.
So if I say, "I'm tired, I'll hit the sack," I'm not committing a crime, right?
Exactly. You're just going to bed.
Okay, so imagine, kids, stop hitting each other. Go hit the sack. That sounds like terrible parenting.
English parents, hit your beds, not each other. All right, Mia, how hard was writing today's episode?
Piece of cake.
Great. Where's my slice?
No cake for you, only confidence.
Why does easy mean cake, though?
Because cake makes everyone happy. Well, except people on a diet.
If someone says the exam was a piece of cake, I'm immediately judging them.
Same. But if someone says, "Fixing my Wi-Fi is a piece of cake," no, that person is lying.
Fixing Wi-Fi is never cake. It's pain.
Alex, spill the beans. Tell me the secret.
Why beans? What beans am I spilling? Who decided this?
No clue, but it means tell the secret.
So if you say, don't spill the beans about the surprise, you're basically saying, don't destroy the party with your mouth.
Exactly. And if someone says, "Oops, I spilled the beans," it means they told everyone.
I'm terrible at secrets. If someone says, don't tell anyone, my brain goes, tell everyone.
Yep, you're a bean spiller.
Mia, when you meet new people, do you break ice with a hammer?
Obviously. I carry a hammer for social events.
What a conversation starter.
Break the ice just means making people comfortable, like saying hi or a small joke.
I tried breaking the ice once with a joke. Nobody laughed. The ice became thicker.
Same. Sometimes silence is the strongest ice. Alex, are you okay? You look under the weather.
Yeah, the sky fell on me. I'm suffering.
This is why you need sunlight.
It just means I feel sick, right?
Yup. Like if someone says, "I'm a bit under the weather," they're basically saying, "My body has given up."
I'm under the weather. Under work, under pressure, under everything.
Same.
Okay, this one sounds illegal. Why are we biting bullets?
Because people used to literally bite bullets during painful surgeries. It meant to be brave.
So now it means doing something we've been avoiding.
Yep, like, I have to bite the bullet and clean my room.
Or I'll bite the bullet and call my ex.
Or I have to bite the bullet and wake up before 10 a.m.
That one hurts the most. So today, we hit sacks, spilled beans, broke ice, went under the weather, bit bullets, and ate cake.
This language should be illegal.
If you laughed and learned, hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mind the English.
Yep, mind the English.